Hello friends, Black Horse Excellence present updated version of Schedule 3 automation tool in which you can prepare financials for companies. Let's see how it works. There are 4 input sheets. First input sheet is master file where we need to fill basic details of company and signatory. All different options are given here like financial preparation option, presentation option, printing option, user defined grouping option and branch consolidation option. We can also print financials directly from here. Second input sheet is trial balance. In this sheet, we can import data from Tally and Tally Prime. Also, we can import data from Excel trial balance of any other software. Then we need to click apply default grouping button. It will do around 50 to 60% grouping automatically. Remaining grouping we have to do once from drop down. Third input sheet is fixed asset register where we need to add details of fixed asset. It will calculate depreciation for entire life of asset. Fourth input sheet is qualitative disclosure sheet where we need to add accounting standard and schedule 3 disclosures. We can also add different footnotes here. Schedule 3 automation tool will prepare analytics charts automatically from trial balance. Once our grouping is done in trial balance, all figures will flow in balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow and notes to account. We just have to click button prepare notes. It will prepare notes taking base of trial balance and qualitative disclosures. This is annexer report which will give us ledger wise details of financials. We will also get ratios from this tool which will auto generated from trial balance. This tool prepare ITR balance sheet, manufacturing and trading, profit and loss automatically from trial balance which you can export to CompuTax, Winman and Spectrum. If you want to automate your financial preparation process, then please visit our website www.blackhorseexcellence.com. Thank you.